Hello YouTube, it's a Grommet Installation Kit. I've never done this before. I'm going to do it on camera. I've read the instructions once. I'll read them real quick again. So this is the first time I've ever used one of these. We have a scrap of tarp. And we'll see what happens here. So stay tuned. Here we go. I'll be right back once I get everything out of the package. Okay, we're trying to get the light to cooperate. They do give you separate bags. This bag was inside of this one. This one has the pieces that stick out. These are the washers. So I have a bag. This is out of the way. You have a bag that has these. You'll have a bag that has these washers, and I'm going to put this down. See that lip? I want the smooth side up when I do this, so it will match that. The pictures they give you aren't the greatest, black and white. Okay, what they tell me to do is, I don't want this stuff to go flying all over. Pick where you want to put the grommet. Place this over it. Getting camera. They say wood will work. This is my stool with a piece of metal plate and a piece of wood. And it's not going through very well. So what we will do is get rid of the wood. We'll try it straight on the metal. I guess that'll work. Okay. We'll pause and we'll get the next step lined up here because our pieces went flying all over. Okay, this is take two because I put that washer on the wrong way after I said I was going to do it the right way. So, here we go. They want you to take this piece. I will snap a photo of it. Set this down in there. Put this over it. Take the washer, and like I said, put these ridges down like that. Take this piece, put it in there. Now I split the other one, so we're going to go slower. Go a little bit slower. I guess you're not going to avoid that, ripping that out of there, as long as the grommet's in there. Like I said, I did that one backwards. That's wrong. That's right, because you got a nice smooth edge and it grips there. I wish it would have bent it over a little bit better without splitting it, but it's only like $4. It couldn't have been much more than $4 for this kit. You can put 50 grommets in, so not gonna complain there. It's not high dollar stuff. Surely not as good as the factory ones. But that's it for this video. Hope it isn't too long. I'll snap some pictures of all these little parts that was used. Thanks for watching. Okay, put this on the lathe. Made more of a bevel, which made the outer wall thinner. Much better on camera. So, an improvement. I'll snap a picture of that, a close-up. Thanks again for watching.